Interpreting the technical specifications for the Vickers amplifier card. EEA-PAM-553-D-32. Analog inputs have a voltage range of plus or minus 10 volts. The input impedance, voltage, is 47 kilo ohms. The current input is plus or minus 20 milliamps. The input impedance, current, is 100 kilo ohms. For analog outputs, the feedback signal has a load impedance of greater than or equal to 10 kilo ohms. It is short-circuit proof. Analog outputs have a voltage range of plus or minus 10 volts. The potentiometer has a feed-forward voltage range of 20% to 100%. The sensor signal gain range is 90% to 120%. The storage temperature range is minus 25 to 85 degrees Celsius. The operational range is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EEA-PAM card sales and replacements.